was like, what is making that noise? So I had plans of grandeur. I had plans for this to be full of holiday, I guess Valentine's really, Valentine's Day treats and like decor and crafts. Like we were gonna make Pinterest dreams come true. That ship has sailed. This is not dreams of grandeur. This is just what's left over. I'm Ashley. I'd say let's be friends, but feels like a lot of work. But stick around. We'll see if any of these treats turn out. We'll see what crafts I actually get to. And we'll see if this gets up before the holiday. That would be a miracle in and of itself. I'm gonna start this with making kitchen sink cookies. I've actually never made, nor have I had a like kitchen sink cookie before. I just haven't. I measured out a lot of this, but not all of it. So let me go get that. Hold please. I think I have all my ingredients. 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and set aside. We'll come back to that. And butter. Add our sugars. Do we call that light and fluffy? I don't even know if we can call that combined. Have I ever told you that when you listen to the like audio assist on your iPhone, it reads some words weird? Like it says butter, like it's got an extra syllable or two. So it's like butter. Anyhow, 2 egg yolks and a little egg white. It's what it is. It says 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Still trying to use this bad boy up, but we're getting so much closer. Again, not measuring. Any day now. I should do that in stages. I won't. Do I ever learn my lesson? The answer is no. And because I hate myself, but like I am going to dirty another dish. It says now for the best part, add in all of your mix-ins. I don't know what it is. I despise the term mix-in. What is it? Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. When she's talking about making ice cream. It's when Blake Lively had a whole different nose. Okay, anyhow. White chocolate chips, which oddly enough aren't really chocolate. These are mini pretzels and potato chips. Oh, I forgot the sprinkles. I'm gonna put a few things on top just so it doesn't look sad. I'm gonna throw these in the oven. It says 10 to 12 minutes. We'll check in. Okay, so I think these cooked for at least 18 minutes. And now that I'm thinking about it, I think it may be because they're so large. They're large and in charge. They look delicious. We're gonna try them. It's good, it's cooking. We'll see what other shenanigans we can get into. For whatever reason, I decided let's make bagels, but make them Valentine's Day themed. I did the dough and I did them into 2 separate because I colored the water pink before putting it all in there. Was that the method? I don't know. What is the next step in this? I just realized I am not well. I just realized I made sourdough discard pizza crust, not bagels. Well, guess what, guys? We're making pizza. What am I doing with my life? Okay, let me walk you through what I'm thinking in my head. I have a couple of options here. I can say, screw it, toss this, and never think of it again. Or I can make pizza dough. I was like, I'll make a 2-toned bread. This one's pink, pretty. I'll let that sit for 30 minutes, then we'll come back. Okay, we are back, looking slightly more alive than the last time. Wish I could say the same for this dough. We're going to reshape, and then I cut out with parchment paper little hearts. I don't know if this is going to work, but I thought it would be cute. Like if I sprinkled it with the flour. I like to use the rice flour for the top to like created a pattern when it baked. We'll find out. Yeah, it's not supposed to be able to do that. Placing these on. I'm having less and less faith in this approach. Let's just try and... Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for like a day-ish, and we'll bake it off and see what happens. We'll be muting that. Really what I brought you here is for a tour of burbs. These are our Valentine's Day burbs. Lacey took down all the Christmas ones, and so now we just have the winter ones. Or are you choosing to join me for this? And it feels like it is time to break out some of the Valentine's Day ones. So we are on a strict no more bird buying, which was promptly broken by these two burbs. Look at this one. That would be a space burb. And then I got this one. He, she. This one's called Smoocher. It's wearing a puffer jacket. These are the new 2026 editions. And then there's just a handful of other ones. We got this guy. His name is Fledge. Queenie. Jet with a straw hat. Bonjour. This one's name is Cherie. The letters. It's a bear. This one with some crazy hair. There's like this chocolate box of birds. How cute. And then there's a few baby birds and whatnot. I'm going to put these out, find homes for them, show you where I put them, I guess. And you can tell me if there's better homes for them. Starting over here, we have our Queen of Hearts, some winter burbs. This girl will be I lost her. I lost her. Overboard. We got our astronaut and our bear. A little straw hat guy with flowers. These two guys. These two are just winter birds, but I like how they match. This is a pink strawberry lamp. I ended up putting the little chocolate birds here. There's those guys and the two BFFs. Little post office bird. These are the New Year's Eve birds, and I just think they're fun, so they're staying out. Those are our 2025 books. I need to put the labels on them. Like those are our 2024. Oh, bonjour! Oh, bonjour! This one felt appropriate. In front of the Tortured Poets Department anthology. Come on down. Another winter bird. More winter birds. There we go. Puffer jacket bird. These guys match too. And then this little guy. I'd like to remind people, we built these bookshelves. Pretty impressed. This was just a wall before. I think I want to explore Pinterest and maybe get inspired to do a few little Valentine's Day decor items. But I figure if I can make something out of the numerous craft supplies and whatnot that I already have, that's a win-win. So maybe we'll do that next, or in a bit. But I have some work I need to do, so I will do that first. But this was a fun little intermission. Some of them better than others. Not the best, not the worst. All that to not even be sure if I'm going to be using my Cricut. Okay, I basically just got out everything I own, let's be honest. I feel like there's enough here to make some Valentine's crafts, some decor, if you will. That would be the dog and cat fighting over the squeaky pea. This is all like Cricut vinyl and stuff from previous projects. Okay, we've got like a mauve. This is, oh, we got a high gloss red. Good. Got some crafty paper, some random ribbon. Thought it might be kind of cute to make some stickers out of the vinyl. Put that on, maybe address some of them. I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. I'm gonna use the cord because, like I said, I swear the Bluetooth drop never works. I just grabbed a basic shape from here. So I'll make it 2 inches. I don't think I want them that big. Maybe 1 1/4. Let's change all these and see if I can cut them all at the same time. These ones are gonna be the red. If you're unfamiliar with the Cricut world, in addition to the Cricut machine and design space, you have to have like a sticky mat. Like this has adhesive on it, and then I just keep this on here to keep it safe. I prefer the blue ones, which are the light, different grips for different materials, essentially, is the guide. I don't think that this one will slide around. However, I've got a few pieces of like washi tape. Okay. I've got tools in it already. And here we go. Unload our mat. There, you can kind of see the outline. And I have tools that I can use for this, but I'm being lazy. And since these are so big, pull it off. And ta-da! This is an angry piece of vinyl. And I'm going to cut out a bunch of other stuff. I cut out a ton of hearts in different colors. I've got an idea for that. But between all of this, I think we can do something. Like throwing string at my computer. Let's see. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to figure out what we're doing. Linus is going to help. Hopefully it'll be just as cute, if not cuter, when it comes out of the oven. I'm gonna go throw these in the oven and we'll see how they fare. Figured we'd give it a go. That is undercooked. Okay, bye.